Welcome to today's episode of Biases and Blind Spots. So in a couple of days, it's going to be from the time that I'm videoing this. It's in a couple of days. It's going to be Thanksgiving, but I think today's theme is easily extended to any time that you're eating more for pleasure than for purpose. Any time that you're eating is more about celebration than function. And that's a lot for many people. It might be the weekend, it might be a social get-together or going out for dinner, whatever it is. So this is a good tactic to employ to not let that kind of run away with you, and also to simultaneously minimize the reward punishment brutal cycle that a lot of us apply to eating. Okay, so here's the thought. If you're eating for pleasure, if you're eating for some purpose other than just getting the nutrients and the energy in your body, really enjoy it. Really be completely present for it. Don't make it this mixed bag of, I know I shouldn't eat this, but I really want it. And it becomes this whole tug of war that just really makes you feel pretty crappy. Let's talk about how specifically to do that. So take whatever amount you think is a good starting amount of whatever it is, intending to go back for more if you in fact want more, rather than just kind of doing this scarcity abundance thing and trying to get as much as you can right off the bat. Then, and this is critically important, bring your attention to each bite. Don't cannonball it with the liquid. Take your time. Your body secretes just enough saliva, assuming you're hydrated, at the pace that is ideal for you to consume, assuming you're going to chew it thoroughly and maybe take a breath or two between the bites. So remember, the pleasure center for eating is somewhere between the front and the back of your tongue. And so if it races through there like a stock car race, you're not really going to enjoy it as much as you would if you take small bites, chew thoroughly, really let it kind of linger on your tongue for a bit, and then take little breaks in between so that you've got this little interruption of the pleasure, so that you can reacquaint yourself with each individual bite. Chewing thoroughly and eating more slowly and taking time between the bites will also help you to allow your blood sugar to come up in a more balanced way with your speed of ingestion. So you'll actually end up eating less if you take longer and enjoying it more. So if you're not already doing that, give it a try. It takes some practice, but I'd say give it a try perhaps in a couple of days, and also be equally aware of your body's signals when you're starting to be satiated and then maybe even full, and relate that to the decisions you're making going beyond that. All right. And you may say, I'm going to really enjoy this tasting it, but maybe not later after I eat it. And that may be the case, and you might go ahead and eat it anyway, but then be honest with yourself and accept that you made that decision, and don't make it a big deal. All right? Thanks, and have a good week.